In this video, we are going to discuss some nomenclature again and how to write the structures from any name also. So at first, see one example, this one. Here we have to write down at first the structure clearly so that we can give the numbering and understand the bonding also. So CH is bonded with this chlorine, and again the CH is bonded with the bromine and then the methyl. Now between these two halogens, chlorine and bromine, since the atomic number of bromine is more, so this one will have higher priority, and for that we have to give numbers from this right hand side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the numbering. So alphabetically, if we see, this is chlorine starting from C and this is bromine starting from B. So we have to write down like from bromine, because alphabetically B is at first the C. So here we have to write the position of bromine 2, then the hyphen, then the name of the bromine like bromo, then the name of chlorine like it will be 3, then chloro, and after that the main chain is formed by 4 carbons, so it will be bute, and since it is alkane, so it will be butane. So the name will be 2-bromo 3-chloro-butane. Next is one in which we can see that there is PCl64C6H4. Actually this is the P for para position of benzene and C6H4 is for the aryl group, that means benzene group. So here we can see that if in case of benzene there is one substituent present, then this 2 position, that is the position 2 and 6, they are termed as ortho. The 3 and 5 position, these are termed as meta, and this 4th position is known as para. So here this carbon is attached to 2 such group, so we can write down the structure as carbon. Here there will be one benzene ring, and there will be chlorine in para position of that benzene ring, and the same thing will be twice. So again there will be chlorine, and with this carbon there is one methyl group also. So this one will be like this, and after that there is CH, then bromine, and after this the methyl group. So now we can easily see that the name of this compound will be started from this side because there is bromine. So it will be, the numbering will be like this is 1, this is 2, and this is the 3 carbon. Now what will be for these 2 groups? They will be taken as the side groups and it will be in the position 3. So the name will be, at first we have to write down the name of bromine because B is at first alphabetically. So the position of bromine, that means this will be 2-bromo, and after that the position of the bigger groups, that will be 3,3, then hyphen, and since these are 2 and these are bigger groups or ligands which can each have di or tri, so to avoid the 2 time the di tri, there will be bis, we have to write bis for 2, and then within third bracket we have to write down the name. See, if this is the position 1, then this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So in 4th carbon there is chlorine, so it will be 4-chloro, and after that for benzene ring we have to write down the name that is phenyl. So 4-chlorophenyl, and then the name of the main chain which is formed by this 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon. This is actually the 4 carbon. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be butane. So the name of the compound will be 2-bromo-3,3-bis 4-chlorophenyl butane. Now how we have to write down the structure from the name? So for that we have to start from the main chain, that means pentane. So for pentane there will be 5 carbons. I am writing with the single bonds only. So there will be 5 carbons, so like that. After that there will be 3 methyl. While writing the structure from name, it is very useful and very helpful that we can do the numbering from any side and from our wish. That means you can give 1, 2, 3 or you can give 1, 2, 3. So I am giving from this side 1, 2 and 3, and for 3 there will be 1 methyl. So this is done. Next is 2 chloro. So if it is 2, then there will be 1 chlorine. And now we have to complete the valency of carbons by putting hydrogens. So here there will be 2 hydrogen. Here already 3 bond is completed, so 1 hydrogen only. Here also 3 completed, so another 1. And for this there will be 3 hydrogens. So for this we have to start from the main chain, and the structure will be like this one. Next, another structure for aryl halides. See, we have benzene in the main chain. So write down the structure of the benzene at first. So after that there will be para-bromo. That means in case of this, chlorobenzene is the main chain. So write down the chlorine in position 1, and as we have seen that according to this nomenclature, ortho, para and meta, the group which is just in the 4th position, that is para. So here also we have to put the bromine in the para position, that means 1, 2, 3 and 4th position. So this will be para-bromo-chlorobenzene. So this is the process by which we can write down the structures of alkyl halide or haloalkane and haloarenes or aryl halides from the given UPAC nomenclature.